So would you agree Sree Maa Shri Ji's teachings are very direct and very transparent, or would you say Sree Maa withholds information?
Ita, I have found Sree Maa Shri Ji's teachings very direct, very transparent. I have never found Sree Maa to be fluffing around from one book to the other. In fact, as I look back, when you've asked me this question, I have never seen Sree Maa refer a book. So the ultimate wisdom, I don't know where it comes from. In my eyes, Sree Maa is a highly elevated soul who is able to bring such profound shifts in me. Of course, it was done in complete silence initially when I did the Awakening Transformation workshop. It was my curiosity that led me to Sree Maa, and then when I asked questions and the kind of answers that I received were just so beautiful, and it made sense to somewhere in my inner being that prompted me to go further with the courses that Sree Maa was offering. So to me, the teaching style has been very transparent, very direct. In fact, it was full of humor. Sree Maa made gauge the energy in the room. If the energy was a little too heavy, Sree Maa would just immediately bring this beautiful sense of humor that would lighten up the air in the environment. When seriousness was needed, it was there.
So if I understand you correctly, Sree Maa lightens up the room and just knows the pulse of the room.
Yes, that is very, very beautifully summarized, Ekta. And it's just not about the room. I have had, like, Sree Maa just tunes in with the inner core, I feel. Because even if I have not voiced something or if I have not expressed something, Sree Maa has just given an answer and it just resonates with my soul. And it can happen even in a room full of people. So it's not just when I'm, like I have to personally be in Sree Maa's presence to be able to get that, kind of bond. A room full of people, like even when we were at the retreats, and we were going through such intense meditations and, initiations were being offered to us, graced on us. Sree Maa would just know if I was feeling a little, something was coming up, like emotionally, if something was going to be released, and Sree Maa would just come up with this beautiful, sort of an expression or a way of just calming me down. Just Sree Maa just tunes into the soul, very, very intuitive.